Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is Style with Oma. So I said I'm going to be doing some rebranding on my page and on my video channel, and the rebranding basically is about, instead of just showing you how to make simple pieces, I want to be able to help you make a business for making simple pieces. So if you can make some basic designs, it could be a skirt, it could be a dress, it could be a top. All it's about, fashion designing is about making it into your own. So it's about taking a simple top, just like I have, and making it into something more exciting. You play with colors, play with patterns, play with sleeves, play with the lengths. You can make it asymmetrical. You could play with the bottom of your dress. So once you can make a top and you can make a skirt, you can always piece both together and make a dress. So yeah, that's what fashion designing is all about, creativity. So I want to help you harness that creativity that you never knew you had, that is inside of you. We've all got it, and that's what I always say. Don't think, oh, that person is more creative than I am. I wish I could be that creative. Oh yes, you can be that creative. So what I'm going to be doing today on my channel is to take a particular dress I made some weeks, I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago. It was a tutorial on how to make a one size fit wrap dress. So for this one size fit wrap dress, I said there was a trick to making it fit different sizes. So instead of you starting a collection and you making several sizes, if you want to be successful and increase your profitability, especially in the fashion industry, then you need to be versatile. You need to think outside the box. So when you have a ready-to-wear label, creating different sizes to fit different women could be daunting, and sometimes you end up with sizes that are not very popular. So instead of doing that, if you channel your productivity, your energy towards creating one size fit styles, then you won't have to be saddled or stressed with making various sizes and some selling out and some you still have in stock. Then you're now obliged to do sales. You don't want to be doing that. So I'm going to show you how this wrap dress can be sensationally okay for different sizes. So what is the secret? So watch as I show you right now how you can make this happen. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget, you need to subscribe so you keep seeing my videos as they drop. And if you've enjoyed the video, do not forget to give a thumbs up. Yes, and feel free to share it to your friends. So on my channel, what I'll be doing is empowering women like you, like me, to be able to achieve their dreams and to take their businesses to the next level. So yeah, right, this particular wrap dress, to be able to make it into a one size fit, what I did was to first know how big or what's the biggest size of the person that this dress is going to fit. So that will guide you when you cut. So I used the measurement of a size 20. So if you don't know how the sizes work, you can look at one of my earliest videos on how to know a dress size, because in the description I put my own chart. You can create your own chart, so when people buy clothes from you, they know what the size 10 is, they know what the size 12 is, and like that. So I have now finished the inside of the wrap dress properly, and the secret is really simple. So for this to be able to fit different sizes, all I need to do is get an elastic band. So you see I've got that here, and what you want to do is just to add this elastic band all the way at the back. So I'm not going to add this everywhere, but just the back, where I have the closure at the top part of the wrap dress. So I'm going to get the about 3 centimeters elastic band, and I'm going to stitch that on the, you can see where the joining for the wrap dress is. So to be able to achieve this, I don't have to cut the entire length. All I need to do is to divide this into 2. So holding this across the back, I need that much. So I'm going to get my scissors. I'm going to divide this into 2 like so, and I only need half of that to cinch the waist. So I'm going to cut that. So I only need half of the length. So once you've gotten that, now is the time to stitch on. So from that level, from that point, I'm going to pull this all the way there. So it's not complicated, just pull as you sew. So that will give, you know, the waist is make it a bit smaller, so that if a bigger person wears it, it just expands and you don't have much of a problem. It won't look as if it's an oversized dress. So the trick is really easy. So elastics like this band are a great way to making one size fit clothes. So you may want to give that a try and see that you're going to be pleasantly surprised on how the fit still stays intact even when you make a one size fit dress. Be it a wrap, be it an empire dress, whatever dress you make, it always comes handy to know what to do with an elastic band.
So